Finally, the house feels clean again. After the pest control, oh, it was a lot of work. I cleaned almost everything, but not 100% yet. But I want to show you my new living room. Look, first thing first. So my computer desk used to be here, and I moved it to this corner. Both sides of desk can against to the walls, so I don't have to worry about the monitor knocking over. And yeah, I got this beautiful artwork. I haven't hung it yet. I'm thinking between the monitor and sofa right here, little upper, like in the middle. And look at my desk. It's pretty clean. Yeah, my couch here, I don't really use it, but yeah, I still keep it. It's actually 3 pieces. There's one more piece here. And this one, this workout machine is actually my wife's. I want to throw it away because it takes a lot of space, but I have to ask her first. Okay, so since I wake up today, I've been filming. I made olive kimchi. I'm gonna show you a little bit later. And what did I do? And I filmed how to make purple rice. And I cut this steak. I was using this machine, the meat cutter, to cut it. I wanted to make it like cube steak shape, but I forgot it can cut only this thick, no bigger than that. So I just cut it like that, and I'm going to grill it. Oh, I'm so hungry. The angle is too low. I have to be like this. Okay, anyways, since I cleaned the house, I feel really good. I felt this again, that environment matters, actually matters. Especially my computer desk. I keep it clean. It looks like office desk, you know? Every time when I sit there, I want to work. I want to edit my videos. I want to do the things related to my video work. It's really, really good. It's a big change. Let's cook first. I am very hungry. Oh. And I was working at my job, and a customer gave me Amazon Music gift card for like 1 year. Oh, I don't know the person. She gave me the gift. I was really like, don't know what to do. It was very unexpected gift, and I was really appreciated. I said, oh, thank you very much. I'm not the person who listens to music, but maybe I should now. This might change little parts of my daily life. What music do you listen to? Yeah, yesterday one of my coworkers asked me, what music do you listen to? I was like, oh, I don't listen to music. I feel like it's kind of weird. Someone doesn't listen to music at all. Yeah, that's me. Sometimes I listen to music, but the music that I used to listen to when I was teenager, I don't know, like when I listen to the music from back then, I feel like I'm still the same, but I got aged. And what else? And these days I keep myself very busy. It's really good. I usually wake up at 9:30. I do little chores, load dishwasher, unload it, or clean up a little part of the house for 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Then I get to video work 10 to 2 or 2:30. Then I take like an hour or 30 minutes rest before I go to work, and come back at home like 12 and take shower, lie down, watch some videos, and sleep like at 1:30 or 2. And also I don't play game no more. I deleted it about a month ago, and I didn't play for like 2 weeks, and I re-downloaded it. Then I played it for like 6 hours, 5 hours, and I felt like, oh, it's not fun anymore. It actually gives me stress and tired. Since then, I deleted it again, and I don't play no more. Now I have control of this, so if I want to play the game, yeah, I can still, but I don't play like before. Like I put everything behind and just play and regret. I think I don't do that anymore. I can control myself. This is a big change. I'm so happy. Wow. Okay. This is how it looks like. I'm gonna cut this into small pieces. Since I live with this routine, I feel like a day is too short. I wish I have like a couple more hours so I can work on my video more. This is first time I feel like that. The days are short and I feel like I'm leaving the days productive. Yeah, I've changed a lot. I hope I keep myself this way for a long time. For the meat, I'm gonna make sesame oil salt. So just salt and sesame oil mix. I'm gonna eat it with 쌈장 as well. Today I just wanted to share my feeling, this good feeling with you. Alright, so this is the olive kimchi I made today. Look at this. So I got, can I say that pickled olives? Salted olives from Costco. I put some gochugaru, sugar, fish sauce. That's pretty much it. And sesame seed and olive oil. The olive is already salty, so if you want to make it less salty, then soak in water for like 15 minutes before you season it. And this time I made purple rice. Look at that. When you make rice, put a lot of white rice as usual and just 2 spoons of black rice. It's gonna be like that. The color is beautiful. I'm so hungry. There was a lot of things I want to talk about. I totally forget. I think I should write down on my phone every time I remember something or I think about something. Today's video is until now. I will talk to you in next video. Have a good day, 이모 삼촌들. Bye.